Okay, what is it about, Casey?
This is it's about the heroes.
What are the power of the heroes?
And this is made of eye power, and this is made of made of made of vegetable power, and this is made of fire power.
How about the other one? The flip it. The other.
Grapes.
Grapes power?
Yeah.
Who's the enemies?
Carrie.
What's the power? What's the power of Carrie?
Made of grapes. Grapes.
That one. Wait. Can you make it the back paper? The back. The back. Back. That's the bad guy.
No, that's not the bad guy.
Because it's made of grapes also.
He's not the bad guy. He's a good. He's a good.
You said Carrie. That means that's Carrie because it is grapes. You said the power is grapes, not Carrie.
But he's not a bad guy because he's still a girl because this is a bad guy. Stefan. This is about he can blow he's a made of like, and he's wind power grapes.
Are we done?
No.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Do it again. Go. Do it again. The light.